Dear Scorpio people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the Power of Love activation card to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have in within you in order to power your love and to give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates for you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the cards well and praying to the divine to give you the message you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is priorities. The description on the card reads, you understand the paramount importance of manifesting love in all situations. In the month of July, you are called to put the pieces of your life's puzzle together so as to have a deeper awareness of who you are and why you are here. So regularly take a moment of the day to reassess your priorities in order to make sure that you direct your life as the universe intends for you and that you do not waste your energy on things that do not enhance your growth. Do not let your ego take over your thought process. Listen to your heart. You will learn to love yourself and share your love with others in every situation. Practice the instilling energy of love into your habitual thought process. This would make setting your priorities and decision making easier. The theme of the second card is spontaneity. The description on the card reads, you move beyond the constraints of the mind and freely and lovingly embrace new situations. Having set your priorities, you are called to be spontaneous. The attitude of spontaneity helps you to move beyond restrictions and constraints that are self imposed or imposed by your situation and free yourself to lovingly embrace new situations. Though a routine life lived within your comfort zone makes you feel secure, it can stagnate the progress you make in your life. However, you need to be emotionally strong to tread the path of spontaneity your heart dares you to walk. Do not fall prey to peer pressure when your heart tells you that something is not right for you. Do not the fear of new experiences hold you back from doing something that would bring rich dividends for you and those you care. The theme of the third card is satisfaction. The description on the card reads, you let the energy of love guide you to self approval so that others no longer define who you are. Walking the path of spontaneity with your newly set priorities, you feel a sense of satisfaction. You feel no more constrained and restrained. There is a newfound freedom with which you move about in your life. This inner satisfaction raises your self-worth and self-esteem. You accept yourself for what you really are, giving approval and validation to yourself. And you do not let others define who you are, as you do not seek others' approval and validation. You love yourself for being the unique and compassionate person you are. The theme of the fourth card is commitment. The description on the card reads, you dedicate yourself to your beliefs wholeheartedly, knowing that love is the essence of your very being. The above said three attitudes help you to develop faith in yourself. You trust your abilities, respect and love the person you are. You realize that the universe calls you to make a difference in people's lives. You know well that you have a heart that can love and give. There is a fire and passion about what you are and what you do. You are ready to commit and dedicate yourself to follow your soul's calling and desire to become a divine agent who is capable of igniting others' devotion to follow their soul's calling. Dear Scorpio friends, in the month of July, you are called to reassess your priorities so that you can make your choices and decisions that would open up new possibilities for you. To achieve this goal, you must walk the path of spontaneity by freeing yourself from restrictions and limitations. Embrace new situations and opportunities. As you journey on this path, you experience self affirmation that raises your self esteem and self confidence. You realize your worth and validate yourself without expecting approval from others. This self affirmation gives you the courage to commit and devote yourself to the soul's calling and be an agent of the divine who is capable of affirming others in their calling in life. May the divine shower abundant blessings on you so that you can accomplish divine purposes in your life and in the lives of those around you. This is my wish and prayer for you for the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.